Doing the back of my head, I always get asked the same question, how do you do the back of your head? Some people don't believe I do it, so I'm just showing you a quick video of how I do the back of my head fading it. It's going to be a taper fade, skin taper to be exact, so just follow along. Like a skin fade, put the skin line in wherever you want the fade to start. The difficult thing which many will face when fading the back of their head is that it's an awkward angle. One, it's tiring holding the mirror up, that is one thing. The second thing is, it feels like everything is in reverse, so you have to get used to that. But practice, 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 you get used to it. Anyway, skin line. Number one, flattening the area where you'll be fading. I think it's always important to flatten that area to be like, okay, right here is where I'm going to be fading. With the number one, flattening it. Then turn it around. The number one is closed. Go from underneath that skin line through to where you want the fade to start / stop. Let's say start. I want the fade to start from there where my finger is. Let's start with an open one actually. Let's start with an open one. Go through the skin line, up and flick out. Flick out, flick out, flick out. It's important to always comb it out. Then close it. Go from under that skin line, go through to that same place and flick out. The important thing is to always flick out. Whenever you're fading, you must always flick out, because that helps with creating the fade. If you go up and stop, go up, stop, you end up creating another line. So it's always important to go through and then flick out. Look at that motion, flick. I'm gonna over exaggerate it so you see it, look. And also just going through the hair, right, and flicking out, right? This motion you'll see helps to get most of the hair that you're cutting off. Sometimes people do this kind of fade here where they're kind of doing that. Like a lot of like shaky. You don't need to do that. Concentrated strokes are actually better and it makes the haircut quicker, because when I go through, I'm taking all the hair out. It's like using a comb and combing through your hair. You want to make sure that the bristles go through the grains of the hair. And that's exactly what you're doing with the fading. Open blade, open, no gauge on it. Flatten the area which I'll be fading. Okay, it's coming, okay, good boy, it's coming. Flatten the area where I'll be fading, again. Flip it around, open from underneath the skin line, go through, flick out. Now, where I faded up to last time was there, I'm going to be fading down here instead. So go through, flick out, flick out, flick out, flick out, flick out. You can see it's already almost fading. You can see there's some lines there, but we can sort that out afterwards. Close the lever a little bit, go through the skin line, literally just go through the skin line and flick out. And basically we're already faded. Now you might look at it and say, oh, what is dark around there? That's because I want to leave more hair there, so that when I'm shaping up, please, 1 second. So that when I'm shaping up the line there, it stands out more. So this area here, I just need to lighten up this area because you can see the fade is harsh, it's not smooth. So literally look, go to that area and lightly just flick it. I'm just lightly flicking it. Hopefully you can see it, lightly, I'm just lightly flicking it. And you can see it already, it's getting smoother. Just lightly flicking it. And now, I'm going to shape up the back. Press down and pull away and follow it as in a straight line the whole way down. You see, got a nice, strong, dense, prominent line. And now I can fade out that darker piece that doesn't need to be there. And there we have it, guys. Quick, like a couple minutes tutorial on how I do the back. Now this can be better. Obviously it can be. My arm is tired, can't lie, it's like a workout doing it. So if you don't go gym, you're definitely going to the gym when you start cutting your own hair. It hurts. It hurts, it does. You can see it gets clean. When I do the back around my ear, it's actually, because I can't hold the mirror and do it at the same time, I kind of just got to use my peripherals to its full extent and just try and hit that line. Yep, hopefully I've hit that right. Yeah, kind of, yeah. Now, from here, smoothing it up. Yeah. How's that look, guys? You look at it. How's that look? Look clean? Taper at the back of my neck.
And that's the question.
Neck taper.